Welcome! In this video today I'm going to be demonstrating to you how to use the multi-site service to build a website for your painting studio. Now if you've just randomly stumbled across Multi-Site's YouTube channel and you aren't quite familiar with our services yet, Multi-Site is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's that simple. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So all you need to do is click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So I'm going to head to the top now, and I'm going to go ahead and search for my market painting studio. Let's go ahead and select that option. There it is over there. Great, let's tell Multi-Site a few basic details about our painting studio so it can generate a simple website. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can enjoy the Multi-Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of restaurant from restaurant to a retail, as my studio has very specific hours. So I'm going to select that template, retail, and click on continue. Great. How can our customers get in touch with our painting studio? I'm going to go ahead and put in my phone number as well as my email address and click on continue. Awesome. Where is our painting studio located? I'm going to go ahead and put in our street address as well as our postal code and click on continue. Great, let's get our hours set up. What time does our painting studio open on a Monday? I'm going to go ahead and say we open from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Saturday. We closed on Sundays. Let's do a quick review, make sure everything's in order, but everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to go ahead and click next. If you need to make changes, click on update location or update hours and make those necessary changes. And look at that, Multi-Site has literally generated a simple website for my painting studio in less than a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of Multi-Site is we've pre-written all the content for you, as you can see, and we've pre-selected all the images. They're all high quality. They're all completely free to use. No licenses needed for them. However, if you've got your own images, and I'm sure you do, I'm sure you've got lots of images of your beautiful artworks and masterpieces, and maybe you want to make one or two changes to that pre-written content that was just created as a guideline. Of course, you can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding. You don't need to be a web developer. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this process. So today I'm going to be walking you through each section from the top to the bottom so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works and how easy it is to use. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on update section at the top. And the first thing I'm going to do is click on show email and site. So my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. So my customers can easily get in touch with me. I've already put in my address, and the great thing about it is when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Map to get directions to your physical location. Let's go ahead and click on save and head to update social links. Now over here you can put in the various social media platforms your painting studio is active on, and I'm sure you're very active on social media showing people all your beautiful creations. The icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner next to that email address. Let's save and let's move along. Over here, I'm going to go ahead and update my logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet for your business, that's completely okay. Multi-Sites will literally just display your name here and it still looks really great. There's no problem with it. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and browse my device and upload it. If you really want a logo and you don't have a huge budget for a logo, I do recommend that you check out canva.com. My logo has now been uploaded. I can make it bigger and smaller to suit my needs, but I'm happy with the sizing of it, so I'm leaving it exactly the way it is. Now with Multi-Sites, we've also pre-selected all the colors for you that have been used throughout your websites. You can change it and you don't need to know color coding. Perhaps your branding, your logo, your business cards, they don't quite go with this color over here. So all you need to do is click on the handy little paint bucket over here in the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different color palettes available for you to use. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll right to the end, and I'm actually going to go ahead and select this one. I really like it, and I'm going to go ahead and save that. Let's move along. We're making such great progress. Over here, I'm going to go ahead and change that image. It is really suitable for my painting studio, but I'm going to go ahead and change it. If you've got your own image, go ahead and browse your device and upload it. But I'm going to go ahead and search for one. Multi-sites will automatically search for painting studio. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one. Let's see how well that image works. I actually don't think that's going to work very well. I actually want to use an image that has been painted. Awesome, that's very subtle. So I'm going to go ahead and try one more image. You do have to play around and just see which one works best for you and your business. But as I said, there are hundreds of images to choose from, and they're all completely royalty free. Let's check that one. That's also really subtle, so I'm going to go ahead and save it. I quite like that. I'm now going to hit to update content. Over here, I can change that title and subtitles to suit my business needs. Your button, maybe you don't want it to say get in touch. Maybe you want it to say view our rates for your different painting lessons that you offer. I'm now going to go ahead and choose my link. You can link to another part of your multi-site website, like the lead form at the bottom, which I'll get to in just a sec. That is a great option. Or you can link to another website. Maybe you take calendar bookings via Calendly or something like that. So go ahead and put that there. Otherwise, click to call directions, click to email. But one of my favorite options is to upload a PDF file. So as I said, maybe you have a catalog or your rates for your painting lessons in a PDF format. So go ahead and upload it. So when your customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to that PDF file you've just uploaded. Over here, again, pre-written content just as a guideline. Feel free to make changes. Button can link to various other places. Click on update section and make those changes. It's super simple. We've now made our way into the about section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how you got started in the artwork painting industry, how long you've had a painting studio for, do you offer classes and workshops for beginners to advanced painters. Go ahead and put all the details over here. Your customers would love to know your story. Over here, we've got another great spot for a high quality image. Choose one of your painting masterpieces and upload them here. Maybe one of your students' artwork. Otherwise, search through that photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of the different services you offer. Do you offer kids art classes, teen art classes, adults wine and painting evenings? That sounds like a lot of fun. Do you offer fluid art, watercolor painting lessons, private lessons, digital art? Do you have market nights where you sell artwork from the community? Go ahead and put all those details over here. Another great spot for a high quality image, but I really like this one. It really sums up my painting studio well, so I'm leaving it exactly the way it is. I've now made our way into the last section, that lead form. Over here, your customers can put in a message, submit it, and get in touch with you. Once they have submitted their message by clicking on send, you will get notified via email a lead has come in via this form, and you can as well find it in the site dashboard, all the leads that have come in through here, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Let's just take one last look of our Mighty Sites website for our painting studio that we've literally just launched, made some changes in literally less than 10 minutes. It was such a breeze. I didn't need to know any coding or hire anyone to help me with this process. It's only going to cost me $9 a month, and there is that free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put in your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. You've got nothing to lose. If you've got a custom domain, you can click on connect your domain and connect it. If you're struggling, there is a tutorial over on our blog websites over at www.multisites.com. Go to our website, click on blog. You'll also find some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online, so do check it out. There's also a YouTube tutorial available. And if you don't have a custom domain, I'm really excited to let you know that you can now purchase your domain through the Multi-Sites platform. We've recently introduced the feature. So all you need to do is click on I want a new domain, or you already have a domain, and connect it. Let's go ahead and head over here to the site dashboard. This is where you'll find your leads from that form at the bottom that I've just shown you. When they've come in, your customers are trying to get in touch with you. So look at that. We've literally gone through our websites. Everything's looking really great. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on the Multi Sites platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so more people can hear about the Multi Sites platform.